Hi, my name is Eric. I'm a writer here at Crutchfield, and I'm here today to talk to you about this beautiful turntable, the Pro-Ject Debut Carbon EVO. The Debut Carbon EVO is a very rock-solid player. It's a manual belt-driven turntable, and that's important because that means you don't have any other mechanical processes going on that can introduce noise, which is something you absolutely do not want when you're listening to a great record. The Debut Carbon has been one of Pro-Ject's workhorse players, and the original is one that I own personally and that I recommend to a lot of people. And this one kind of takes that original concept and goes just a little bit farther with it. They've added some nice features to the EVO version. For starters, it's got a nice solid vibration resistant base and 3 adjustable height aluminum feet so you can make sure that it's stable. This solid one-piece carbon fiber tone arm has a pre-installed cartridge, and that's one of the upgrades that they've made for the EVO version. This is a Sumiko Ranier cartridge, which has an extended frequency response. Carbon fiber is a great material to use for a tone arm because it is simultaneously light and rigid, and that's a great thing for a tone arm to be. The other place where there have been noticeable upgrades is in the Platter. It's a much heavier steel platter with a thermoplastic elastomer ring on the inside. The benefit of the heavier platter with the TPE ring inside is that you have a much more stable and solid base for the records that you put on. And that means that you will not get any transmission of vibration or unwanted high frequency sound. Another upgrade this has over the original Debut Carbon is a single switch that allows you to choose between 33 1/3 and 45 RPM speeds. One important thing to note, this turntable does not have a built-in phono preamp. It can be built into your receiver, you can choose an outboard preamp, but it is not built into the turntable. One thing I love about Pro-Ject turntables is they're relatively easy to set up straight out of the box. First thing you'll do is take out the belt and put it around the pulleys, and then you'll place the platter over the spindle, and that part is pretty much ready to go. Next is balancing the tone arm, so we're going to show you how to do that right now. Start by spinning the counterweight onto one end of the tone arm, and then remove the plastic stylus cover so that that doesn't throw off the balance. Next, remove the tone arm from the rest, lower the cueing lever, and then adjust the counterweight until the tone arm floats perfectly level. Once you have the tone arm perfectly level, then you'll want to keep the counterweight in place and rotate just the numbered dial so that the number 0 is at the top. Then you'll want to turn the entire assembly counterclockwise until you get to the numbers between 18 and 20. Next, take the anti-skate weight and loop it over the second notch, and then drape the weighted part over the metal holder. And then the final step is to attach the dust cover by lining it up with the hinges on the back of the player. So that's the Pro-Ject Debut Carbon EVO. This is a great player. We love these here at Crutchfield. If you have any further questions about turntables, give us a call, write us an email, or chat with us, and we'll help you make the right choice for you.